video game made of banana which kills you when you sleepwalk.
Joey, what was it?
It was an iPad made of sausage. Kills you when you have a sleeping walk.
James!
It was a baby monitor smartphone.
I don't know why you did it.
Made out of marshmallows that made you sleepwalk to death.
Steven!
It was an iPad made of marshmallows that sleepwalks you to death.
The next game is the ABC game, in which Steven and Devin will take turns saying lines. Each line will have the next letter of the alphabet, like this. Steven starts with A.
Apples are delicious.
Bananas are better.
Carrots are healthy.
And so on through the whole alphabet. So, can I get a really bad place for a resort?
Ohio.
Ohio. I heard prison.
Same difference.
Yeah, okay. Prison. And how many roads must a man walk down?
29.
29. Okay, 29 years in prison. With the alphabet game, can I get a letter to start on knots, Q, or X?
M.
Okay, I heard M.
My back is killing me from the beds in this joint.
Now tell me about it. We've been working for 29 years.
Obsolete punishments, if you ask me.
Perhaps we could do something constructive.
Quite like building a road.
Road. That's an excellent idea.
Serial killers are really good at building roads.
Time to ask our friend Jimbo.
Under the tower over there.
Very good idea. He can help us escape.
Where should we escape to?
Xenophobia land.
You're right, they'll hate us there!
Zoos are nice though.
All zoos aren't as nice as the ones in Ohio.
But I don't want to go to Ohio. We're going to Xenophobia land.
Can we go to Ohio on the way to Xenophobia land?
We do? That's a pretty good idea.
Everybody knows that the xenophobes love tourists.
First, we'll have to get out of these prison clothes.
Guard's coming!
Hide!
I don't know where he is. He's not under the tower over there.
Just don't look under the tower.
Kid guards are so easy to fool.
Let me tell you about a time I fooled a lot of guards.
More of your stories.
For our next game, we need 2 more people from the audience to come and help us. Do we have 2 more volunteers? Don't be shy. Yes! And we need 1 more. Anybody else? Come on, don't be scared. If you want to, yeah you do. Come on. Give them a big round of applause. Charlie, and what's your name? Kaisa. Okay, in this game, you're going to be making some sound effects for us. Kaisa, you're going to make sound effects for me. And Charlie, you're going to make sound effects for James. Okay? So, if... I thought we'd started already. So, if James wants to bounce a basketball, it would sound like...
Needs more air in it. Wow, they're destroying the floor too much.
That was good. Thank you, Charlie. And if I wanted to maybe play the trumpet, it would sound like... That was beautiful. Now, could someone please tell me a very important moment in world history?
Second one.
The Second World War is pretty important. What's something that happened in the Second World War?
People died.
A lot of people died. More specific.
It's happy hour for the improv.
D-Day.
D-Day. Okay, yeah, sure. The invasion, the D-Day invasion. Awesome. We're gonna go with that. So, are you ready to make our sound effects? All right. Okay. Billy, I'm really scared.
Me too, Sarge.
I know. I breathe really heavy.
Oh no, here comes the
It
bomb!
started already.
That was just a little one.
Get down. Get down. Get down. Okay.
Silencers on them.
I think they're building something on the Normandy. They're using really old bombs. The kind with clocks and donkeys.
Guys will stop at nothing.
The Germans are crazy this time. Maybe this drum will help us fight the war.
It's lifting my spirits, so I think I'll play my bagpipes that I brought.